Nope.
Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. You know, I've been reading your comments a lot lately. You guys keep saying, NameBran, go kill yourself. NameBran, you gotta get laid. I agree with 1 out of 2 of those. So getting laid one, if you were wondering. The other one's pretty mean. However, y'all been saying, NameBran, you haven't done something with liquor in a long time. You've been drinking it, but you haven't been doing anything creative with it. We've done something with Hennessy in the past. We've done something with wine in the past. I thought today, boys, we'd take a bottle of the finest wine possible and do the ultimate custom.
That's not fine wine.
What do you mean this isn't fine wine?
That's what my grandma drinks.
Well,
it's
worth $100
for cheap.
per bottle.
Who? No, it isn't. Who told you
You
that?
gotta call me out, Ian. So
Okay.
don't say anything. I'm gonna say this again. Just don't say the price. Anyway, boys, we got a fine bottle of wine here. This thing costs about $100. We got 8, no big deal, and we're gonna start doing some wine stuff today.
We're getting litty titty today.
What?
Well, we're drinking the wine, right? Like,
No.
let's.
No. You thought I called you over to drink the wine?
Well,
Why would
yeah.
that be a video?
I don't know. You do like the chilling, this NameBran thing.
No, no, we're doing a custom with it.
Oh, so we're not actually.
Why do you sound so disappointed?
Oh, and no, it's nothing. It doesn't.
You sound really disappointed right now. You good? I'm
Oh.
sorry that we're not drinking it, but we actually have to use it for the custom.
Oh, okay. I just thought you were inviting me over to like drink with you because that's like
No.
something I've been wanting to do for a while, but.
No. You can do that another day though, don't worry about it too much.
No, that's okay. I mean, I drink with the boys every day anyway, so it's okay.
The boys. Yeah? Every day? Okay.
Well, yeah.
No, that's fine. That's fine.
So what are we pouring the wine on today, Brand? Pussy!
No. What? No. Why would you say that? Anyway, boys, today what we're actually pouring it on is a Supreme box logo hoodie. Now, you guys might recognize this from a previous video that we did. I said I was actually going to give this away. Then, I had a side thought. I thought, you know what? Why don't we make a dope custom with it? Then give it away once the custom's done. So if you guys want to win this after the custom, all you got to do is thumbs up this video, leave a comment down below. And obviously, if the winner doesn't want red wine on it, I can wash it out for you. We'll wash out if you want
I
it.
thought wine was famous for not washing out.
First things first, man, we gotta grab our bottle of wine for the custom. I wanna taste it first. I'm gonna have a quick chug of luck, baby.
Oh my god! Epic! Epic! I've never seen anything like that in my life.
You know, buddy, I kinda feel bad. You wanna try it?
Yeah.
Give it a little sip. You don't gotta chug it like me. Jesus, eat it. My floor! You even get to taste it?
Oh.
Y'all hear that? Ian, what are you doing? Ian.
Man, I think I was gonna drink way too much of that.
Ian, you spit it all out, buddy. You're not drunk.
No, some of that I definitely swallowed some of that.
Now grab your wine bottles and fill up the bucket accordingly. We're turning this box logo pink.
Pussy pink.
Stop, Ian. Alright, boys, we got the wine in here now. We got one more bottle left. We're gonna put this in here, pour that over top, and let's see how it turns out. Ian, you ready?
Looks like a period in a bucket.
Thanks, buddy. Really, no, it's not funny at all. Alright, boys, so it's about an hour later. We got the shirt in the bucket. We're about to just pour it into the tub, see what kind of color we got. You ready for this, Ian? Get the shot, get the shot, get the shot.
Yeah, I'm ready.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Ian, that's not funny.
It didn't work at all.
I know it didn't work at all, Ian.
It didn't work even a little bit.
Ian, that's not funny.
You spent so much money on that wine.
Ian, that's not fuck. That's not funny, Ian.
Yes, it is funny.
It's just ruined and it doesn't even look sick. How do you leave it in for an hour and it's not even colored on one side? Ian!
How could you get it that wrong? You're literally staining clothes. People do this by accident.
Fuck! You know, boys, let this be a lesson. You see how you can't always get what you want. You know that song?
Yeah.
That is reality. I'm not asking you, I'm asking them. That's reality. And what I tried to do today is showing that even me, and G, bars, can also screw up. Although I meant to screw up because I wanted to give this lesson at the end of the video saying, hey, you guys will screw up in life and you will always lose, sometimes. I don't usually, which means I had to screw this up on purpose so you guys can learn.
That is not what happened.
I don't know about that.
You spent an hour, the entire hour that thing was soaking. You just kept talking about how awesome this was
No,
gonna
I
be.
did not. No, I
You
didn't.
would not shut up about it.
Oh, actually, yes, I did say that. You know why I said that, Ian? Because I was trying to trick you too.
I don't know
And
about
when
that.
things don't work out, we react accordingly. I think I dropped that bomb twice, but that's it. All part of the bit to show you guys, hey, this is what happens. And if you drop the F-bomb twice after screwing up maybe a relationship, you cheated on her, you got cheated on, well, if you got cheated on, Molotov cocktails are a thing. Just kidding, don't do that.
Whoa,
But,
that's excessive.
yeah, that's why it was a joke. Anyway, boys.
I'd just like to point out how completely defeated you look, sitting on a toilet, staring at your complete failure in the bathtub.
No, that is called a success with my message that I am sharing. Boys, the NameBran fam will always be strong. We will always mark the game. And sometimes we might not be the greatest of all time. But just know I'm here for you. As a speech artist, speecher, inspirational speecher, and a friend. Mortal enemy to some and family member to most. I have a big dick, I'm out. Thank you.